Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear is calling it a vaccination challenge tonight. The amount of Kentuckians, he says, need to be vaccinated before COVID restrictions are removed.
When we have vaccinated 2.5 million Kentuckians, we will remove capacity restrictions.
Right now, 1.6 million Kentuckians are vaccinated. Governor Beshear made this announcement today at the kickoff to the state's biggest vaccination site. It's in the parking lot of Louisville Cardinal Stadium, the football field. Rose McBride explains how the new site can help reach that goal.
The goal of the mass vaccination site at Cardinal Stadium is to administer 200,000 doses of the vaccine in 7 weeks. That'll put Kentucky closer to reopening.
If you are a restaurant, a bar, a store, a public pool, a country club, a grocery, a funeral home, a wedding venue, a concert hall, a museum, if you put on festivals, if you are a distillery, this is what you've been waiting for.
According to Governor Beshear, a reopening could come as soon as 3.5 weeks from now, but more realistically 4 to 6 weeks. Once at least 2.5 million Kentuckians over the age of 16 get at least one dose of the vaccine, Beshear will remove capacity restrictions for nearly all venues, events, and businesses that cater to 1,000 or fewer people. It also means an end to physical distancing restrictions and removes a curfew on bars and restaurants. It's a moment that people getting the vaccine Monday have been waiting for.
Just being able to go places without having to worry about restrictions, 6 feet apart, masks, things of that nature.
Basically get back to family and picnics and stuff like that.
Right now, more than 1.5 million people have been vaccinated, putting the state at less than 1 million more people to hit that goal. A month ago, there were more people who wanted the vaccine than doses available. Now the supply is available and ready to be administered.
Now it's up to our people to do, I think, their duty as citizens, their patriotic duty as Americans as we fight this disease together. We need you to come out and get your vaccine.
Governor Beshear says that number, 2.5 million people, is 70% of the population that's currently eligible to be vaccinated. There are still appointments available here at Cardinal Stadium. We'll have a link to how you can get one on our website. For WHAS 11 News, I'm Rose McBride.
Now, after issuing that challenge just this morning, the governor gave some more information during his 4 o'clock afternoon briefing. Today, it'll be a final push from businesses to help ensure that we hit that goal. Get this, he's asking restaurants, stores, and other places to start offering incentives for people who get vaccinated.
Provide incentives. You know, if you're going to come into a place and get vaccinated, do they provide you $5 or $10 of free groceries?
Also, all business owners, I mean, we're in this together. We will do well together or do worse together.
After so many weeks of declining cases, Kentucky is plateauing. The governor says these numbers are driven by the variant first found in the United Kingdom that is infecting more young people. That's part of the reason those 16 and older are now eligible to go ahead and get their shots.